how to turn off photos, likes and comments notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off photos, likes and comments notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now click your profile here in the bottom corner, click on it and now click these three lines in the top corner and click settings. Here you will find notifications, click on it and then click post stories and comments, and here you will find it off, just turn it on and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.